What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Ali Schaller, back again with another video on the YouTubes. And this time, it's something I'm positive you're gonna love, because it's about negative space. I'm gonna talk about why I use it, how I use it, when I use it, who I use it with. Anyway, you're gonna find out a lot, so stick around. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, right? Or you're a bloody disgrace. That's for Biz to cut out later. Anyway, let's get involved. Negative space is a void in the image where there's no information, whether it's black tone or white tone. It's an area of empty space that is used to generate a minimalist style and create some serious attention on a subject. And it just has to be done in the right way, with the right subject, right combination of factors, and you can get some really powerful images. The first half of my book, Metropolis, is done using negative space, and it's a style that I took quite seriously quite a while ago. And how little of a frame can I show that still gives some semblance of humanity or of the street? So today, a lot of the scenes that we're going to do haven't really been planned. For this example, we're just going to use this that we've come across. When you're looking this way at the bottle, it doesn't seem like you can generate negative space at all. I'm going to show you the angle with this, which we can generate negative space. So the key things here, this is a light color. The bottle has a white cap. It's quite a light object. And behind is an area of shadow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, using spot metering, -3 exposure compensation, I'm going to focus on the bottle. This is the equivalent of closing down your exposure compensation. And there you have it, negative space generated in camera. Now, is this a Pulitzer Prize winning picture? No, it's not, but it's a nice way of showing how to generate negative space. Once again, we're going to be running a little competition for our Patreon members. All you have to do is submit your best negative space photos into our community chat, the photos one, on our Patreon. And if we like them, you stand a chance of being featured in the next video and getting your name tagged up there. The Patreon really helps support this channel, funds a lot of things such as editing time and things like this. So we really appreciate everyone who does it. Thank you very much. Right, here's a scene for you. We've got a lot of naturally occurring contrasts provided by this wonderful bridge. So we've got a pocket of light down here, and then we've got the flanking either side of the frame of the sky, which is going to provide white strips. And this is an example of how patience and isolation using negative space can help to make the scene look quite isolated and focusing on a subject. All we have to do is wait for the right moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my 24. I'm going to crouch down. I want to make use of this to be central in the frame, and then have someone walking or interacting. So we've got a mixture of light situations happening here. We've got some people silhouetted, some people in the light. Ideally, we want someone wearing white as well. So this one isn't quite isolating all the people, but it's definitely highlighting the subjects I wanted using light, and almost everyone else is in darkness, and you've got the negative space that's been generated. Some photos take bloody ages to materialize, but this one I don't think so. Also, for anyone worrying about annoying the public, if you're scared about doing street photography, no one really cares, if you can see. And we're filming on top, which is even more of a potential risk. People don't care, they just want to move on. So, bang. And again, these aren't meant to be my best shots of all time. I'm just showing you the techniques, and hopefully we get a couple of good ones along the way. We usually do. We're here in the skate park on the South Bank, one of the places I first started ever shooting. Anyway, I'm going to talk you through the settings I like to use to achieve negative space. So there's negative space where you can use white in monochrome photography, and I'm going to talk specifically about black tones now. So often you're dealing with quite a bright area. Like today, for example, with the sun, I'm often shooting at f8. I've got my ISO on auto, aperture priority mode, which allows me to use exposure compensation to dial how dark I want the picture to be. A lot of the shots that we're going to be doing today were done at -2, -3 exposure compensation with an area of clear defined brightness and darkness. That's the secret to this, to getting the black tone right in the camera. I always find that it's a lot better to do this and you get a different look if you underexpose in the body. If you accept that you want pure black, try and get that in the camera, and then just a little brush brightening it up in post does a hell of a lot, and it's actually really easy to do. I find it hilarious when people say that I'm photoshopping all my images, when really it's actually quite easy to achieve. As you can see here, you just need to have the knowledge.
Love the YouTube channel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Love it.
Pleasure to meet you. We're filming one right now.
Really?
What's your name?
Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
Are you on Instagram, Paul?
Yes, I am.
What's your Instagram handle? We'll do your shout out.
P.Birchley.
We're going to put it up on screen.
Excellent. Thanks very
Cheers,
much.
mate. See ya.
See, you've cost our household a lot of money
Oh, right.
because he keeps buying your books.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, he keeps buying more camera stuff and more books.
So worth it.
I think you're right.
Thank you very much. So you can see how they're so much brighter lit, these two here, than anyone else in this area. And the fact they're wearing white really helps. So I'm metering off their t-shirts or their clothes. And there's just a lot of shadow. And then you've got this beautiful shape here of the bridge, which helps give you some sort of an interesting composition. This is a great example of how to pluck someone out of a crowd. Just get in line. So obviously the negative space we're generating is all of this shadow area, the ceiling up here. I'm on f8 again, aperture priority, auto ISO, -3 exposure compensation. And just waiting for the right moment. That's it. So what I'm doing here, got this line of shadow here, this continuing line of shadow down here. I'm angling the 24 in such a way that I'm creating shapes, just like cutting the frame. So it's like making it really abstract and just leaving room for just a subject within that, the lighter space of the frame. Something like this. We can't officially film in here.
So here we are filming.
Yeah, all I've done is promote these art institutions over the past 10 years. And they're like, get a permit and pay us. Let's go in this strange dark room. Sounds like we've just walked into SeaWorld. And here we see the Pacific manatee swimming in perfect harmony with the ocean. Art exhibitions, I mean, they must have like a starter pack, you know? Big room, put something in the middle, make it look a little bit well lit, and then put on some ethereal music with some sounds of animals. How many times have I walked into a room like, it's meant to be cutting edge innovation, this art, this gallery. Anyway, enough about that. We're talking about negative space, not being negative. So, all of this can be used. Here's a good example of using this interior to create negative space. This guy in the darkness, lit up by this. Say that one more time, please.
One thing that your book has taught me is to embrace negative space.
You heard it here first, everyone. You heard it here.
Go out and buy the book.
Brilliant! This is my PR manager now.
It's only 10%.
They actually take 20. Well done to everyone who submitted photographs for this competition on Patreon. It was really, really hard to choose some pictures to display on the video, and not just saying that, we had over 200 submissions. Standard was really high, so it was good fun having a look through, and really nice to see people using the techniques that we've been teaching on the video in the work that's being presented. So good job, everybody. There's going to be an honorable mentions shortlist on our Patreon as well, so if you're not already signed up, you can check it out on there. And for the people who are already on the Patreon, thank you very much. Now let's have a look at the photos that made it through. Well done, everyone. We'll keep running competitions like this ongoing, so if you would like your chance to have your photographs featured, please enter via the Patreon. And looking forward to seeing some more great work in the future. Thank you for watching this video. We like recycling here at the Alan Schaller channel, so we hope you've had a positive experience on this video on negative space. We couldn't really draft any more puns than that, could we? No. There's not really that many to be had. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, hope you had a bit of fun. Give us a little like, little comment, little subscribe, a little check out the Patreon. If you want to see some more stuff, join photo walks, do all that exciting stuff, check it out. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on a new one very soon. Bye-bye.
So where's it going to be up on?
YouTube. A few weeks. We're pretty relaxed, aren't we? We're too relaxed about it.
Fantastic. Great meeting you.
Yeah, you too, man. Thank you.